Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been going through an artist block. It's when you have no idea what to paint, and when you actually do, everything you paint doesn't feel or look right. My artistic senses are a little off at the moment. For example, this painting was supposed to be a rainy autumn, but I don't know where I'm going with it. And don't get me started on the houses. Perhaps my paintbrushes weren't ready to paint something a little more detailed after the last Parisian rooftops painting. I had no desire to persevere through this. So this is when the black paint comes in handy. To give this canvas a new breath of life, we are starting over. There's a little bit of life lesson in this. When we make mistakes, we always have a chance to start anew. It may not be in a clean white state, but with the right colors or decisions, we can definitely create a new future. This artist block usually happens to me after I paint a piece that I really like, which in this case was the 4am Flowers Bouquet Urbanscape. Nothing that I paint after that feels comparable or enough. But since this is not my first time going through an artist rut, I roughly know the cure for it. Many would advise you to take a short break and come back, but I know myself better. If I break out of a routine, I'll never step back into it. Gotta keep running like a hamster on a hamster wheel. So what works for me is to trace back to the beginning and find the artworks that first inspired me. One of the artists that I admire was Lina. It was this particular piece that I fell in love with and got me motivated to paint. In my current infatuation for urbanscapes, I have lost sight of the simple little landscapes which I used to love, including streetlights. Okay, so the final painting looks far from a Lina original. He's a master of the palette knife and have long given up on trying to copy his style, which is impossible to replicate. But at least I had fun painting this. I tried to retain some of the colours from the painting before it was painted black all over and simplified everything. I don't love it, but at least I don't hate it. At the same time, I'm still hoping that you will like it. What can I say except for baby steps? Hence, without further ado, let's begin. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
et sauter, et sauter.